Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Dr. Samin Siddiqui, Associate Professor Zoology from Bharati University. And my today's topic is research design. So, as I already told you in last lecture, that what is research design? What is the meaning of research design? So, research design is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher. The design allows researchers to done it on research methods. Research method that are suitable of the subjects, matters, and set up your studies upon success. So, the design of a research topic explains the type of research like experimental, okay, survey research and correlational and a semi-experimental use or use, okay, and also its subtypes: experimental design, research problems, descriptive case studies. So actually there are actually three main types of research designs of research. Okay, that is data collection, measurement, and analysis. The type of research problem an organization is facing will determine the research design and not the vice versa. The design faces studies determines which tools to be applied or to used and how they are used. Okay, so an impactful research usually creates minimal bias data and increases trust in the accuracy of collected data. Okay, a design that produces least margin of or error in experimental research is generally generally considered the desired outcome, okay, of the research. So the essential elements are जो essential elements होंगे वो है, फर्स्ट वन इज सबसे पहले जो होगा एक्यूरेसी मतलब कि एक्यूरेट पर्पस स्टेटमेंट। सेकेंड होगा टेक्निक्स टू बी implemented or collected and analyzing research, ठीक है। थर्ड वन the method applied for analyzing collecting details, so analyzing, and the last one types of research methodology. Probable objections of research. Setting of the research study, and next one is timeline, and the last one is measurements of or analysis. Proper research design sets your study up, okay, for success. Proper research design आपकी सक्सेस की स्टडी को, आपकी स्टडी के सक्सेस को बढ़ाएगा, इंक्रीज करेगा। सक्सेसफुल रिसर्च स्टडी प्रोवाइड्स insights and accuracy or accurate and unbiased. Okay, you will need to create a survey. You will need to create a survey that notes all the main characteristics of design. So there are keys, some keys, ठीक है, some keys, some key characteristics. So first one is क्या होगा, neutrality, neutrality, reliability. Third is validity, and last is generalization. So what is neutrality? That you set of your study, you may you to make assumptions about the data you expect to collect. Okay, the results or the results projected in the research should be they be free of bias and neutral. Okay, understands the opinion or the final evaluated scores and conclusions from multiple individuals and consider those data or agree or not, ठीक है, that derived results. Okay, what you will have to do in our research is to compare. आपको क्या डेटा मिला है या आपने क्या कलेक्शन किया, आप उसे कंपेयर करेंगे. Okay, that is the key rule, that is key characteristics, that is neutrality. Changes है, it means you are a good researcher. Okay, अगर है it means हमने research किया है. Next one is reliability. So with regularly assumed or conducted research, the researcher expects ठीक है similar results every time. होता है. The researcher involves expects results every time. Your designs should indicate how you form research from questions, ठीक है, or you ensure the standard of your research, and you will only be able to reach the expected results of your design is reliable. Okay, only you will be able to. Okay, आप ही सिर्फ अपने रिजल्ट्स की रिलायबिलिटी को जानते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज वैलिडिटी. So what is validity? There are multiple measuring tools are there. Okay, however the only methods or the only correct measuring tools are those which helps a researcher engaging results. Okay, engaging results according the objective of the research. ठीक है, तो हम क्वेश्चन जो प्रिपेयर करते हैं, सो क्वेश्चन डेवलप द डिजाइन विल बी बैलेंस. ओके, क्लियर. एंड द लास्ट वन, जनरलाइजेशन. सो व्हाट इज जनरलाइजेशन? Generalization is the outcome of your design. Okay, outcome of your design, ठीक है, should apply the population and not a restricted sample. ठीक है, not just a restricted sample. A generalized research implies that your survey can be conducted on any population, on any of the population, similar accuracy. Correct. The last, मतलब हम ये बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so correct respondents answer the research, and so all the above characteristics should be balanced in a good way or in a good design. So a research must have a clear understanding, or a researcher, ठीक है, or various types of research design to select which model should be or which model to be invent or study. Okay, like research itself. सबसे पहले अपने आप को, then the design of the study can be broadly described. The design of the study can be broadly described with quantity. Okay. So in my last lecture, I already told you about quantitative and qualitative research. So what is the basic difference between qualitative and quantitative research design is? Quantitative research is numerical, non-descriptive. Okay, it applies statistics, maths, okay, and uses numbers. But in case of qualitative research is non-numerical, descriptive, applies reasoning, okay, and uses words. Okay, so one more difference is quantitative research are often presented in tables and graphs, but qualitative जो होता है cannot be graphed. ये क्या होता है? It is explained. Okay, so that is all about research design. So from next, I'll try to make you all know about different methods or different research methodology. So for now, thank you so much.